Hello YouTube, this is Slim Shady. I'm back again today with the shout out video. With the what shout out video. Shaka laka shaka laka. Boom boom. I am here once again with the shout out video for my girl and your girl, Lexus China Adar, for reaching 300 subscribers. So this is my shout out video for her. Lexus China Adar is a very sweet, loving, caring person. She always passes by my channel showing me mad love. So I am here to embrace her channel and show her mad love as well. For reaching 300 subscribers. You go, girl. You made it. Shout out to my girl, Lexus China Adar, for reaching 300 subscribers. If you don't know her channel, then you should head over right now and hit that subscribe button because she is a nice person. I promise you, you won't regret it. Check her out. You will enjoy her channel. She is a wonderful, wonderful, loving, kind person. And I hope that you all go over to her channel and check her out. And I thank you all for watching my vid. Have a blessed day. And I just want to say congratulations to my girl, Lexus China Adar, for reaching over 300 subscribers. You did it, girl. And this is my shout out video for my girl. Give me an L. You got your L. Give me an E. You got your E. Give me a U. You got your U. Give me a S. You got your S. What's that spell, Lexus? Give me a C. You got your C. Give me an H. You got your H. Give me an I. You got your I. Give me an N. You got your N. Give me an A. You got your A. Give me a D. You got your D. Give me an O. You got your O. Give me two L's. And what's that spell? Lexus China Adar. This is my shout out video for my girl and your girl, Lexus China Adar, for reaching over 300 subscribers. Check her out, and I will have her name below. So this is Slim Shady. This is Slim Shady, and I'm out of here. Peace.